Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, this is a very big warning for everyone in Bitcoin right now. And when I say very big warning, I really mean it. Look at this. Bitcoin is right now approaching the previous all-time high. Exactly what we were calling for many months right now. And I want to show you how Bitcoin actually behaved in the past, approaching the all-time high. I am telling you guys, we have to be very cautious right now on the weekly time frame. I want to tell you exactly what I am predicting here for Bitcoin right now, but also on the hourly candles. Bitcoin is right now forming this falling wedge right now, and I want to tell you exactly whether I am predicting a breakout towards the upside here above our bullish price target, or whether we are going to eventually break down. Watch this video until the very end, because especially the warning I want to put out here for everyone in Bitcoin is very important today. I will be talking about my trade on PHEMEX, $74,000 in profit, approximately 120,000 in total. My other trade at $204,000 in profit here, and also my trade over on Bybit here, $143,000 in profit. And guys, believe it or not, I have something special for you. I have a surprise for you. If you are an experienced trader, scroll down to the pinned comment. And right now we have a guys, look at this, a $1,290 bonus for limited time. On Bybit, $610, and on PHEMEX, we just negotiated it here for our community, $680 combined, $1,290 with the link in our pinned comment for limited time right now. I will be telling you exactly how to claim the bonus and what I would be doing with this bonus right now here trading wise for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Thank you so much for your support, guys. We crushed 200,000 subscribers. Some of our videos getting 30, 40, sometimes even 50,000 views. This is only because of your comments, your likes, your shares, sharing the video on different social media channels. You show the algorithm that we are relevant. Thank you so much for that. You are the reason why I'm doing these daily videos here. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, after Bitcoin hit our price target at $19,000, we are going here into a consolidation, and Bitcoin is forming, at least it seems like it, a falling wedge. And the question right now is, of course, are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? What are my price targets? What are my expectations and my trades here right now for Bitcoin? I want to talk about that. And of course, guys, wait here until the very end, because the warning I want to put out there to everyone in Bitcoin right now is maybe the biggest warning I ever had here on this channel. So please, guys, please wait for this here. Wait until the end. I want to be talking about that. First of all, here the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin was forming the symmetrical triangle. It could have been also a diamond pattern. No matter what, both of these patterns were valid. Then we broke out to the upside actually, and Bitcoin perfectly hit here the measured move price target of 19,000. Right now, we were getting rejected, and Bitcoin is bouncing between support and resistance here, forming this falling wedge. And these are the hourly candles. So I am telling you, the breakout is imminent actually within today. I would like more a breakout on Monday, because weekend price action is not all too significant, but it is what it is. And let's wait and see what happens here. A falling wedge, especially in an uptrend, is usually a bullish continuation pattern. In fact, 68 to 70% of the time, this one is breaking out to the upside. The measured move price target here for the upside breakout, could be either the upper side of this falling wedge, which is approximately among the $19,000 levels. You could also make this measured move price target, but in the end of the day, it brings us to the very similar price target here. So even in case Bitcoin breaks out, we would still face some significant resistance here at the previous high. And if we were to get rejected there, this would be a double top and obviously not very bullish for Bitcoin. A breakdown is much more unlikely here, but of course it is still possible. But the good news here is, in case we would be breaking down, and in case we would be getting here to our bearish price target, which is actually not all too far down. It is approximately at $17,800. If I were to go over to the 4-hourly candles, you can see that Bitcoin would remain in this bullish trend. Bitcoin would still form a higher low for Bitcoin in case we are getting a bounce there, since our previous lows were all here within the $17,200 to $17,360 area. So right now you can see how bullish the chart looks, but this is already where I want to start with the warning signs. I mean, you know my breakout direction, you know my price targets. I will be showing you my trades, so you know my expectations right now. But with that being said, I want to put out a very big warning, because whatever we see here, like all our target patterns, I mean, look at this, all our patterns perfectly here always broke out exactly as predicted, exactly to the price target as predicted. And whenever things are getting too good to be true, this is the moment I am getting very, very cautious. And I want to talk about that right now, because going here over to the BLX chart, and these are the 5-day candles. You can use whatever candles you want, the 1-day candles, the 5-day candles, the 7-day candles, the weekly candles, no matter what. All of them speak the same language. And you know what? Let me go over here quickly to the 2-week candles, because as you remember, I was posting on Twitter just like many months ago, I think in April or so, somewhere here within this triangle, that I am calling a breakout and a parabolic rise towards the upside. You see that this is exactly what is happening right now. This was the tweet I actually put out there, because I was predicting that the history will repeat for Bitcoin. And as you see, in every single of these cycles, we were breaking out towards the upside, and Bitcoin was just right now once again breaking out, confirming the breakout and going towards the upside. But why am I putting out this big warning here? Well, after the breakout and the predicted breakout confirmation, and afterwards the massive bounce for Bitcoin was going higher and higher. And right now you can see here, these orange horizontal lines, they are the previous all-time high, in this case $19,700. In the cycle before, the previous all-time high was approximately among the $1,200 levels. We formed it in November 2013. And when Bitcoin approaches the old all-time high, you know, this was in the past the moment where the retail money followed in, where now the last people are even breaking even. I mean, when we are going to the all-time high, every single address, every single UTXO, everyone who bought Bitcoin and held it is in a profit at that point of time. And this, for a long-term rising asset as Bitcoin, this is completely fine, because Bitcoin is, in my opinion, severely undervalued. But for the short term, this means these people, they have to be punished. This money has to be shaken out. And going back here into the period of, let me quickly go back here into the period of 2017, 4 years ago, you can see whenever we had this breakout here, this confirmed breakout out of these 4 years converging trend lines, you saw Bitcoin also got this massive rise towards the previous all-time high. In fact, let me make a measurement tool here, and you can see that we actually had a 70% pump from the breakout to the previous all-time high. But this is what I want to tell you. Look what happened here. In the exact moment we were retesting it, we got a huge blow off top. The question is the same thing about to happen once again? Well, look at this. After this blow off top in January 2017, Bitcoin went down 35%. This is completely normal for a Bitcoin bull market, 35% retracements. And even afterwards, you saw a massive bounce, but Bitcoin was chopping around. We got another rejection. Many people were shaken out here in the period between the 1st of January 2017 until April 2017, when we finally took off here to new highs for Bitcoin. So this is what I want to tell you guys. We were all expecting here this breakout. We were expecting this parabolic rise towards the upside. This is the reason why I was putting in so many trades, some of them still open. I will be showing it to you. I will be showing where I'm going to take profits. I will be showing you where I'm going to open new trades and what exactly I am predicting here for Bitcoin. But look at this. Bitcoin is now remotely close here to the previous all-time high. And what I want to tell you here is, at least there is a danger. I'm not saying that we are not shooting above. I will be telling you another price target here. But there's an imminent danger that this red massive liquidation candle is about to come. And I would say a 20-30% retracement is completely normal. If it's from $20,000 down to $14,000, if it's from $24,000 down to 17, it is not out of the woods, guys. We will see this big red candle. This is something I can nearly promise you. Of course, I wouldn't bet everything on it, but nothing goes in a straight line up forever. This is one thing which is for sure. And please also remember, I'm not saying we are going to dump down today or tomorrow. On the hourly, on the 4-hourly, we are bullish here. But what I want to tell you is here, the price target I was actually quoting just like many months ago, 4 months ago or so, in a video where I was talking about this very big week of accumulation pattern, where I was calling for this breakout here. Well, you can see that we are so close to the previous price target I was quoting in August 2020 already, $20,300. So now that all our price targets are actually already fulfilled, I would start getting a little bit cautious here. So I want to go here into my trades and show you exactly what I am doing here according to this analysis. And as you remember, this is my trade over on PHEMEX. This is the long-term trade, $9,400. I opened it over there and it is right now $204,000 in a profit. This is the only trade which I keep open here, because if I were to zoom out here, you see I traded this exact breakout here in this exact moment when we were breaking out of these converging trend lines I showed you earlier here. This was the moment I opened the trade, and I was so confident in it that I knew I will keep it open here. So this is the trade I am going to keep open. There's another trade. This is the short-term trade where I am actually going to take profits very soon. I already took $52,000 in profit, as you can see right here, and I have $74,000 in profit here. I am going to take more profits here, so it is a 50-50% ratio. And of course, I have another trade open on Bybit over there, $142,000 in profit. And this is also a short-term trade, also a trade where I want to be taking profits here very soon. Let's wait here for this breakout to come. And I wanted to tell you guys, if you are standing on the sidelines, well, if you want to put in short-term trades, this is fine, but don't go too high here. If you're going too heavy into trades right now, maybe just like a week, 2 weeks before this big red candle comes, I want you to be a little bit more cautious. But I have, and now this is by far the highest bonus you can actually find here, a combined bonus of $1,290. This is for limited time, so take the chance right now. If you are an experienced trader, go down to the pinned comment down below, and we have $1,290 here as a bonus, $610 on Bybit and $680 over on PHEMEX. If you make an account on both of them, I have an account on PHEMEX as I showed it to you here in my trade over on PHEMEX, and I have the other trade with $200,000 in profit also on PHEMEX. This is the account I already have. I am trading on PHEMEX. You can claim $680 in bonus, but I am most of the time trading on Bybit. So I'm personally trading most of the time on Bybit and also on PHEMEX just to do longer and shorter term trades. So I would recommend you, if you're an experienced trader, to make an account on both of these exchanges by using our link here, and you can get $1,290 for free. This is the deposit schedule for the Bybit bonus. And if you scroll a little bit more down here in our pinned comment, this is the deposit schedule for our PHEMEX bonus. In total, $1,290 here. If you make a 20x leverage trade, this is a $25,000 trade. If you leave your deposit on the sidelines and you only trade with a free bonus, I would say this is a very fair offer here. So make sure you take advantage of that in the pinned comment down below if you are an experienced trader. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for your support. Look at this, 106,000 subscribers already. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for sharing our content in different social medias. I always give a like if I see it on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. Thank you so much for that, guys. Also, we are getting like 30, 40, sometimes even 50,000 views on our videos. This is because of your engagement. This is because you engage with the videos and you show the YouTube algorithm that our videos are very relevant for the general public. Thank you so much for that, guys. I truly appreciate it. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.